Hey everybody, this is Kiana, and I am doing the 60-day juice fast or juice challenge. And I'm on day 4 right now. I started out at 168 pounds, and the basically the diet is you're drinking only juice. I got my juicer in the mail last Saturday, April the 23rd, no, the 29th. I got in the mail on April 29th. So I went to the farmer's market and I bought a lot of fruits and vegetables and got a lot of recipes on YouTube and started making my own juice. So I'm on day 4, which means no eating, just basically juicing my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And so far, so good. I mean, I weighed in at 168 pounds. And I took pictures, which I will post, of my before pictures. I will do another follow up in 10 days, which will be on Mother's Day, May the 10th. So, um, here's what I look like now. I mean, can't really, I guess you can see a little difference, but I'll show you my pictures from day 0, and I guess I'll see you guys again on day 10.